Welcome to HIFEN's world. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom, also known as Great Britain, is a country located in Western Europe. It is made up of 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The UK has a population of over 66 million people and is a constitutional monarchy, with Queen Elizabeth II as the head of state. The country's capital and largest city is London. The UK has a long and rich history, dating back to prehistoric times. The country has been inhabited by various peoples throughout history, including the Celts, Romans, and Anglo-Saxons. In the Middle Ages, England emerged as a powerful state that eventually formed the core of the British Empire, which at its height covered a quarter of the world's land area. Today, the UK is a modern and diverse country with a thriving economy. It is the 5th largest economy in the world by nominal GDP and has a highly developed industrial and service sector. The country is home to some of the world's leading companies, including BP, HSBC, and GlaxoSmithKline. The UK is also known for its contributions to culture and the arts. It has produced some of the world's greatest writers, including William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens, and Jane Austen. The country is also home to numerous museums and art galleries, including the British Museum and the National Gallery in London. The UK is a parliamentary democracy, with a monarch as the head of state and a prime minister as the head of government. The country has a long-standing tradition of political stability and is known for its democratic institutions and respect for human rights. The UK is also a member of various international organizations, including the United Nations, NATO, and the Commonwealth of Nations. However, the UK faces several challenges, both domestically and internationally. One of the most pressing issues is Brexit, the country's decision to leave the European Union. The process of leaving the EU has been a contentious issue in the country, with many supporters and opponents of Brexit divided on the economic and political implications of leaving the EU. The UK also faces social and economic challenges, including inequality, poverty, and the impact of globalization. The country has seen rising levels of homelessness and a growing gap between rich and poor. Additionally, the UK has faced criticism for its role in the global arms trade and its handling of human rights issues. In conclusion, the United Kingdom is a country with a rich history, culture, and economy. It has made significant contributions to the arts, literature, and politics and is home to some of the world's leading companies and institutions. However, the country faces several challenges, including Brexit, social inequality, and human rights issues. Despite these challenges, the UK remains a vital player in the global community and is likely to continue to play a significant role in shaping the world's future.